with room to fill. Maple cabinets, granite shine, breakfast nook where mornings are fine. 3 bright rooms, jet tub bliss, family room, warmth you won't want to miss. New roof strong, playhouse too, high ledge circles waiting for you. Fence yard, rec room, garage with space, Manchester's charm, your perfect place.
Corner lot where charms alive, 20 Treetop, Springfield pride. Shaker cabinets, island too, kitchen dreams are coming true. 3 beds, bright rooms, a space so neat, cathedral ceilings can't be beat. Sunroom glow, fenced yard in sight, this home's your cozy delight. Fire pit fun, porch for cheer, Treetop Avenue, it's all here.
Welcome to Quaker Lane where charm is real. 3 bedrooms, a home with appeal. Hardwood floors, bright kitchen light, bay window views, fireplace nights. 600 more in the lower space, family rooms, the perfect place. Breezeway doors, patio delights, 30 Quaker Lanes, your cozy sight. Gas heat, fenced yard, safe and sound.